people down here. These are all going to be non-electric down here. Same for those over there. Jesse getting a fire going. We're going to do some cast iron cooking. Here's the view from our campsite. It is windy out here. So windy. So cold. I think the temperatures are upper 30s, low 40s. You can see over there that water's white capping a little bit. That's how windy it is. We were gonna get one of these sites down here. They don't have any electricity, but we were gonna boondock it. And we got here, it's off season for this campground. Whoops, spun you around real fast there. It's off season for this campground. They close at the end of this month, this November. And all sites are $10. Well, if we're going to pay $10, we might as well have the electric. I mean, if it's going to be the same as the non-electric, right? Right, that's what we thought. So we are plugged up, and we do have electric heat, which is kind of nice, so we don't have to waste our propane from using our Mr. Buddy. It's a pretty view. Maybe it'll be a little less windy tomorrow, and I can get out and show you a little more of the area. Get the burger on. Gonna make some queso pasta. There's a possum over there. I can't see where he went now. I think he wants to come and get some of our burger. We got our other pot on there trying to boil some water so we can cook these noodles too. Got the burger done. We're just waiting on this water to boil so we can get the noodles cooked. It's taking its sweet time. Gotta be patient with cast iron cooking. Some noodles are cooking now. Noodles are all cooked. Burger's all cooked. Now we're going to mix it all together. I am just using some queso cheese dip. Looks good. Smells good. Where's your stick? Get your stick. Get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Where'd it go? That's a really cool sight right there. It's not electric. No hookups whatsoever. But it sure has a pretty view. Slide down into the lake. And the wind has calmed down a little bit. Water's not quite as choppy as it was. Definitely a pretty view from all those campsites. All these sites that are right down along the lake have no electricity. So if you don't mind camping without electricity, these are really good spots. I'm gonna mix up some pizza crust and we're gonna cook it in the Dutch oven over the campfire, and we're gonna have some pizzas. I got it all pressed in the pan. We're going to put it on the fire, let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add the sauce and the cheese and let it cook a little bit longer, and then we should have a pizza. That dough's been cooking for a little bit. Add pizza sauce, which appears to be slightly runny.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's even the name brand stuff. And of course, you gotta throw on some cheese. It's not pizza without cheese. And we'll let it cook just a few minutes longer. And then it should be done. We did 2. They smell good. Hopefully they taste good. How is it?
That's good.
Is it really good?
Yep.
Cool.